but giving books is so hard. Why is it? Why is it that making tents is so easy, but building schools is so hard? One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is only solution. Education first. Saadat, siyadat, ibadat hai lam. Saadat, siyadat, ibadat hai lam. Basirat, daulat, ibadat hai lam.